hii. Professor, kindly proceed to the President. Professor, move on kindly. Ripoti ndio hiyo, anaikabidhiwa Mheshimiwa Rais. Tumpongeze anapoipokea. Asante. Asante. Nitaomba vile vile Mheshimiwa aliyekuwa Waziri Mkuu Raila Odinga apokee hiyo ripoti. Makofi. Asante. Asante. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hiyo ndio ripoti ambayo itatupa mwongozo na mwelekeo kama taifa. Asante sana. Nitaomba nafasi hii kumwalika aliyekuwa Waziri Mkuu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga kufanya his brief remarks. Welcome, sir.
Your Excellency, members of the task force led here by Professor Adam Suluhu, all the other distinguished guests here, ladies and gentlemen, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Leo ni leo. This is the day that many people have been waiting for. And yesterday, you remember, Your Excellency, I hesitated from saying that we are going to receive the report today. But today, finally, nyoka imetoka. We now have a report, and people can now talk about a report. There have been people who have been speculating about a report without reading it. Some even have expressed opposition to it before they've seen it. But finally it is here. We say that after long deliberation between us, the two of us, it took hours, we identified what we saw as the problems which are actually ailing our country. And we decided that we should take steps to resolve these problems, not just for ourselves, but in the interest of this generation and the future generations of our country. Because we ask ourselves, we have a new constitution. At that time, it was 80 years. And he said, but still there are problems. So there must be other issues which are making us not enjoy what the founding fathers of our nation wanted. A country where justice have shield and defender, and they dwell in unity, peace and liberty. And finally, plenty is found within our borders. So far, we don't have that, the plenty. 56 years since we got independence. And that's why Kenyans are angry. Because they are hungry. An angry person is a hungry person is an angry person. And we identified the issues and we put them in the memorandum of understanding. There are 9 points which we charge these eminent Kenyans the responsibility of trying to find solutions. So after moving around and talking to Kenyans, they came up with a report. And then thereafter we decided to reappoint them rather than bringing a new team, new faces, to go and try to validate this report among the people of Kenya. They has already, Tom has explained, held town hall meetings. But we decided ourselves that we will go around and talk to Kenyans generally. And we came up with the concept of regional consultations. And the first regional consultation took place here in Kisii. And the Koreans came here, their representatives. Kisii County had, I think, 500 delegates. The rest had 300, mixed. Some were elders, some were women, some were youth, some were politicians, religious leaders, businessmen, all assembled here. And after lengthy deliberation, after the report was presented by the experts and people deliberated, we then retreated to the study where we were yesterday to launch the BBI. And that's where the reggae started. And that's why yesterday I said we decided to come here yesterday. And I said today we've decided deliberately with the president to come and receive the report here in Kisii. Because this is where it started. And regularly kutoka hapa kanguruma huko magharibi. As he said here, the